Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'm gonna jump right on into things. So first things first, I start off prepping and priming my nails. Today I decided to use dual forms. So right here I'm just seeing which ones fit my nails. I always make sure I go slightly wider than my nails so that way I don't have any gaps on the side. And then I'm using those dollar polygels that I got from wish.com a few months ago. And I am applying those to my dual forms. So y'all know I keep it real with y'all. So when I did these nails, I knew I wanted to do super long nails, but I kind of got nervous and was like, maybe I'm doing them too thick. So I did them too thin. So I went ahead and y'all know I like to put all of my polygel in my forms before I apply them to my nails. So right here, I'm just smoothing them out. But like I said, if I were y'all, I would definitely add more polygel than what I did at the beginning. So quick disclaimer, I just dyed my hair black and it stained my nails, so that's what you see underneath my nails. But I am applying the base gel. I cured it for 30 seconds and then now I'm applying the dual forms to my nails. Make sure you press firm but not too firm. You don't want the oozing. Always make sure to clean up around the cuticles and underneath the nails to make sure that the backside is smooth, and then make sure that they cure thoroughly. When I've used these polygels in the past with regular forms, they cure extremely fast, about 30 seconds. Then I flip them over, another 30 seconds, and they're completely cured. With the dual forms, they took about 90 seconds to cure. So just FYI. So anyways, right here, I'm just cleaning up my nails, making sure that everything is secure and applying them. So when I removed my dual forms, I noticed that they were extremely thin. So that's why I'm coming back right here and I'm basically just covering the nail. That's pretty much all I'm doing, and I'm just trying to make sure that I keep my apex together and that everything is even coverage. So like I said, I did do these nails too thin, so when I removed that dual form, the nail broke off. But y'all know there's always a solution to every problem. So I just reformed that same exact dual form and added a little bit more polygel. And I just went back on top of the nail I had and they're still intact. So it worked. So I just fixed it up, put it back on the new nail, and then cured it for another 90 seconds and all was well. So right here, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just making these nails thicker. I know y'all see that mess, but I was watching Power while I was doing these nails. And when Tasha got my girl, Keisha, I spilled everything, y'all. I started knocking over all kind of stuff. I hope y'all see the show. Spoiler alert, because whoo child. But anyways, right here, I'm just fixing up the nails and that's it. So after everything was cured, I came in and I started filing, shaping, buffing. I did pull out my e-file for these nails because I did just feel like I wasn't as neat with my application, probably because I was so distracted from Power. But anyways, I came in with my e-file and I just fixed all the nails up. So initially I was going to keep them this long, and then I had to run an errand. And trying to get my baby in and out that car seat, I was like, nah, we're done. It's not going to happen. So I came back in after I played around with them for a little while, and I decided to go ahead and cut them down. I mean, y'all, they were so cute, but let's just be real. My life ain't right for that. So I came in, cut them down, and then I'm just gonna show y'all one more time. See, look at that. Ooh, them look good. But anyways, so I decided to go ahead and cut them down, and I just started kind of freestyling my nails. Not too big of a fan of how they turned out, but you'll see at the end. So basically, I used some top coat here, and I applied some of my gems. I think I got these from Amazon as well too. I'll put them in the description box. And I got a new little nail art kit. That's one of the brushes from there. One of the tools from there. So I want to try that out as well. So I'm just kind of playing with these little stones, and I'm going to add some glitter to a few nails. That is some glitter that I got from Etsy probably over a year ago. And that is it, y'all. Voila. Just look at that. Top coated, cure for 30 seconds. This is a no wipe top coat, and I'm done. But thank you guys for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think, what you want to see next, and I'll see you on my next video.